Hi guys, I'm Rachit Channana and I'm the founder of Klay, and we are gonna be launching a series of videos where we talk about porcelain surfaces, its usage for you to be able to create a better space quicker in a cost efficient manner. And so today we will speak about the large format, that is large format porcelain surfaces, or how we know as tiles in the normal parlance, and how they are efficient and effective way of ensuring that you have seamless surfaces and you can use them in various means to create aesthetically beautiful surfaces in a cost efficient manner. So what are these large format services? How do we create these large format services? And sizes of various sizes available in the market. So because there's so much of information and right and wrong information flowing around, that the client is baffled of how to create these services, how to use these services, where to buy these services, what is the best and the more efficient mean of using these services. This revolution came to the world about 10 to 12 years back when Italy came up with large format services as a replacement for marble. Why these services were launched, and specifically starting from the West, because the cost of installation and the time of installation for a natural material is very, very high. So in order to finish a project more efficiently in a lesser time span in a cost efficient manner, these large format services were launched. Now, the same technology has moved to India, and there are a lot of companies in India who have started manufacturing these large format surfaces, which are available in various sizes, in various finishes, starting from high gloss finishes to satin finishes to matte finishes, and they are available for floors, walls, wherever you want, literally wherever you want to use. There are various sizes available in large format. When I say large format, it means that anything which is bigger than a conventional size of 2 feet by 2 feet or 2 feet by 4 feet is a large format. However, in the parlance of Klay, we call large format surfaces as any size which is bigger than 4 feet by 8 feet. 4 feet by 8 feet or bigger size is a large format surfaces. Now, there are about 12 to 15 manufacturers in India who are making these large format surfaces in various thicknesses, that is 9 mm thickness or a 15 mm thickness. And they are available in various finishes as well, that is a high gloss finish, a matte finish, and a satin finish. Now, how do we demarcate between these finishes, where to use those finishes? Normally, a satin finish and a matte finish is used for the floor, so that to avoid scratches in the long run, and high gloss surfaces normally are used for the walls. However, having said that, high gloss finishes can also be used in on the floor for residential purposes, but not for commercial areas. Now, given there are certain pros and cons of using these large format, I'll talk about the pros first. One, you can find any material, and I mean any material, any signature marble finish, any signature marble design which you find in a natural material available in a large format tile. So the most common is Satvario. Now I will talk about why is it beneficial to buy a large format vis-a-vis a conventional tile or a marble. A large format vis-a-vis a conventional tile is essential or beneficial because then you see lesser joints. Any tile which you install, it will have grout, it will have a joint. That joint is not seen in marble because the moment you install marble, you can grind it and polish it and the joint goes away, but only for 6 to 7 months. The older a marble gets, the joints will reappear. Having said that, a larger format, you'll see lesser joints. As compared to a marble, a large format is lightweight. Any marble is at least a normal thickness of 18 mm marble will be 5 kg per square feet. Having said that, a tile will only be 2 kg per square feet, making it super light surface. Hence, an 8 feet by 4 feet piece of marble would weigh about 160 kgs as opposed to a tile which will weigh only 60 kgs. Now, the lesser the joints, the more seamless the feel, more aesthetically beautiful a product. Now, having said that, a larger format will give you a more natural effect on a particular design. So for example, there are marble designs available, there are stone designs available, and there are certain other categories of designer tiles also in large format which are available, which become super expensive in marble or natural material. Now, one is the seamless feel. Second is the cost of installation is much lower, is about 1/3 in a large format tile as compared to a natural material which is way beyond. So for example, taking a Satvario, a good quality Satvario large format which is 8 feet by 4 feet would cost you anywhere between 280 rupees to 350 rupees a square feet. Having said that, If you want to buy a natural material of the same finish quality, it will cost you upwards of 3,000 rupees a square feet, which is a huge arbitrage if I see. Also, the time taken for installation in a large format tile is 1/3. If you have to finish, for example, say a 2,000 square feet flooring in a large format, it would take about 8 to 9 days for us to finish a large format installation, vis-a-vis a marble which will take at least 6 to 7 weeks or so, probably 8 weeks, and then you have to grind and polish, etc., etc., fill it. What you see is what you get. An engineered product like a large format, what you see, you will get the same feel, touch, quality for the nth piece you buy. However, in a natural material, if you want to buy a natural material, it's like buying diamond. You have to see the cut, color, clarity in a diamond. The same thing is with a natural product. You have to see every slab. How is the slab in terms of color? How is the slab in terms of design? How is the slab in terms of thickness, porosity, filling, etc., etc., and it goes on and on and on. So a large format will always help a client in achieve their purpose of aesthetics and quality than a smaller format, or a natural material for that matter. There are installation issues which are rampant with a large format, because the moment you install it, you need a zero level PCC, you need a proper adhesive which goes with it. You also need a proper installer which ensures that the warpage is or the bend in the tile is managed perfectly. Because if it's not installed properly, you will always see bends around the corners, around the joints, wherein you'll see a butt joint being created, uh, and two tiles are not matching properly, and the grout is not proper. So hence, to resolve these issues, we provide installation services so that the client has a seamless experience. Second is that the breakage of the tile. Yes, large format tiles are fragile and they need care while installation and transportation. However, having said that, we've got proper insurance policies in place, we've got proper transportation methodologies in place, which ensures that the tiles are transported and installed in a proper manner to avoid least amount of discomfort to the client in terms of time and cost. And then third is you need expert installation and project management for this, because if not installed properly, they will obviously give you a headache later on. Thank you so much for watching this video, and do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and we will keep updating you with more information and helping you achieve your design purpose at most cost efficient. Thank you so much.